Hey guys, it's Steve. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you my Davinci Resolve 17 colour grading workflow. I mean, I say it's a workflow, but really it's a couple of downloads and a couple of LUTs and a few clicks, and that's really it. So let me jump in and show you, but firstly let me just explain that I use a Sony a6400 shot in S-Log2. So it's a raw file or log footage, as the name explains. You will get the best dynamic range, the most detail, the best picture quality out of this camera. So I suggest you shoot in that mode as well. In the video, I'll link a free download from a popular channel, YouTube channel, Becky and Chris, where they did an S-Log2 to Rec 709 conversion. And then also in the video I'll show you the LUTs that I use, but after that you can really use any of the LUTs you want. So let's get into it. So to start with, guys, we've just opened up Davinci Resolve. I've got 3 clips from my recent Bose 700 review. So we'll just drop those onto the timeline. So if we play those, nothing special, nothing new there. We're not going to do any effects or anything on them today, just literally going to grade them. So make sure the effects tab is open at the top if you haven't already. On your toolbar, scroll down to effects and then grab an adjustment clip. So let's just, for this portion, we're just going to color grade all of this exactly the same. What I do is I tick that little star as well. So for stuff that I recently used, it then drops it down here in favorites, which is just perfect. So from here, let's jump into the colors tab. Now we're selected on this adjustment clip here, which is what we want. Now from here we can open up my LUTs, so reveal them in Finder. So once you've downloaded your LUTs, whichever ones you're going to use, we will then drop them all into here, and then from here they'll go into your Davinci Resolve LUT folder. Now you can see here I've got the BC original S-Log2 to Rec 709 LUT. So that's a very popular YouTube channel called Becky and Chris. Lots of good stuff over there. I reckon you go check it out. I'll link the video below to where you get these LUTs. So what is happening here is this footage is all shot on a Sony a6400 in S-Log2. We're going to convert that S-Log2 footage to Rec 709. So if I just show you, we'll go to My LUTs, we'll open the Rec 709. As you can see, you've got different sizes, size 8, 16, 24, 32, 64. The best way to describe this is the higher the number, the better representation against the colours, but beware, it is a little bit harder on your computer, so just bear that in mind. But for me, on the MacBook Air M1, it's absolutely fine to go with the top LUT. So what we'll do is we're selected on the adjustment clip already. We're just going to double click on that, and as you can see, a little box is there. So that's saying to me that the LUT has been applied. So if we go back, as you can see, we've got that LUT applied there, but what we can do is let's just drag this adjustment clip back and over here, so you can clearly see in a minute the different colours. Look, see how vibrant and punchy this is with the Rec 709 colours. So if we want, we can just drag it to that clip. So look, there's no Rec 709 there, bang, instant, look at the colours. I mean, it's not the best representation, so I apologise for that, but as you can see, look, that's a great picture there. Look, halfway through the clip, look, it's just dropped out. So what we'll do is we'll just stretch this all the way back over all the footage, select it again, and we'll go back into the color tab. Now what we need to do here is we need a second node to apply a LUT or a preset to the Rec 709. So hit Alt S or Option S as it is on the Mac. You've got the second node. Now here you can use whatever LUTs you want. So I've got some by Antililapani which I bought. I'll link them down below as well. So what we can do is we can preview all these LUTs in the window. So if we go for that, just be on normal, Obviously these are what he's named them. So if we just double click on something like dismissed, it's applied it. Let's go back to the edit page, and then I'll do the same again. I will just shorten it just so you can see. So this is a fully, I guess, color corrected, if you like, look, and then look at that, instantly drops out. Look, that's a good photo there. So let's move this look over to there. Look at that. And that is basically it. That footage for me has been color graded. It's as easy as that. It's as easy as that, guys. So I hope you guys found that easy enough to follow along. Like I say, color grading can be easy, if that's what we want to call it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I can make plenty more of these videos. I quite like doing the little tutorials, actually. Subscribe to the channel. Hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.